Antietam Battlefield, the bloodiest single-day battle in all American history. Behind me you can see the battlefield. Now let's go take a look at some of the points of interest. We're at Dunker Church, the Union's main focal point to attack on the Confederates' left flank. After the battle, it served as a field hospital for Confederates. Also, both sides formed a truce here to collect their wounded and dead. Right now, I'm at the Joseph Poffenberger Farm. Claire Barton, founder of the American Red Cross, and her 30 aides helped care for the sick and wounded here. Miss Barton helped our soldiers by providing them with food, tending to their wounds, and aiding their comfort. Behind me is the bloody Cornfield, where 25,000 men fought and thousands died. General Hooker said it was the bloodiest clash of arms he'd ever witnessed. During the battle at the bloody Cornfield, 15-year-old Johnny Cook, who signed up as a Union bugler but acted as a cannoneer, won the Medal of Honor. I am standing on the sunken road, the northern end of the Confederate lines. The Union began attacking this position at 10 a.m. 3 hours later, they had won the battle. Over 5,000 men gave their lives on this front. Behind me is the Burnside Bridge. The Confederates held the bridge from up on the hillside. Burnside's men came across the field and pushed the Confederates all the way back to Sharpsburg. Also, if you'll notice the big sycamore tree by the end of the bridge, it's a witness tree, meaning it was there during the battle. Below me is where the final fighting occurred. Although strategically the battle was a draw, the Confederates left the field first, giving victory to the Union. This victory emboldened Lincoln to sign the Emancipation Proclamation. Hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe you'll come here yourself someday. Bye!